Analyst, Judge Andrew Napolitano.
Good morning.
Good morning,
guys. So what came out over the weekend over Secretary Kelly's signature is not any change in the law. It's just enforcing the law. And he laid down exactly what he wants the thousands of people that work for him in the Department of Homeland Security to do. What we are looking for, and it might come as soon as today, it might come as soon as this morning, is the President's new executive order. So instead of appealing what the Ninth Circuit did, he's going to rip up the old order. I think that's a great thing to do. That stops the 48 lawsuits against him. That nullifies the Ninth Circuit's opinion. But in writing the new law, I am sure they have done this. They've taken the Ninth Circuit's opinion, they've taken an opinion in Brooklyn, and they've taken an opinion in a federal court in Alexandria, Virginia, and they found all the things that these judges said are problematic with the executive order, and they will address them. And they come into two categories. One is, to us it sounds ridiculous, but this is what the judges asked. And I know you know what's coming from that look in your face. Right. How did you choose these 7 countries, Mr. President? So without revealing classified material, the White House is prepared to demonstrate how it is more likely than not that among the people in these 7 countries are some very dangerous people. Sure. Let's suppose that
those 7 countries named by the Obama administration.
Correct, named by the Obama administration. Suppose the CIA said to the President, Mr. President, we believe that a couple of dozen lone wolves are coming from 3 of those countries. We're not sure which 3, and we know they sometimes use multiple passports. We need a ban from all 7 until we can weed these people out. That would be a perfectly valid, absolutely lawful, utterly rational basis for the President to do what he did.
So you're saying to make his case, he should have individual cases that in the past have gotten through that we're going to stop now?
And threats coming. Now, if he has to reveal classified material, there's a procedure whereby it can be revealed in secret and just to the judge and not to the people that are complaining. The other area is, isn't this really a Muslim ban? Didn't you say during the campaign that Muslims are dangerous? He said some incendiary things in the campaign.
That was
I was saying during the break. That was then, this is now. I have never seen used in a courtroom words that a candidate uttered against the candidate when the candidate became the office holder.
He has a case there. I mean, it's not a Muslim ban. If you look at all the Muslim countries around the world, there are only 7 that he picked out. Right? So isn't that a good defense?
Yes, because intelligence told him, the intelligence community told him, I'm assuming, that these are where the present threats are likely to come from.
Exactly.
This is not a political thing. It's not an anti-Muslim thing. It's a national security thing.
Real quick, does he have any control of what court would this be challenged in?
Great question. He doesn't. He doesn't. You know,
anybody any
person aggrieved by this, tried to get in and couldn't, can file a lawsuit or have one filed in their behalf. Now, nobody expected that thing to come in Seattle. We all thought the big case would be here.
Well, you know there are going to be more lawsuits, right?
Well, these people are like this morning. They're just getting ready.
And you were just before your appearance.
That's the international sign that lawyers are getting paid.
All the best.